We need to graph the equation 9x plus 3y equals 15. We cannot graph it as it is. We need to solve for y. So the first thing, and we cannot get our slope or y-intercept until we solve for y either. So we need to move everything that's not a y on the left side. So we're going to move this 9x. It is a positive 9x, so we need to do opposite operation, which is minus 9x. And whatever we do to one side, we need to do to the other. 9x minus 9x cancels. We drop down our 3y, and it's positive. We got to make sure that we drop the whole thing down. It is positive, so it is a positive 3y. That equals negative 9x, or 15 minus 9x cannot be done. So we leave them as they are with the signs out front, but we want to put the x first. So we rewrite negative 9x, and then our 15 is positive, so we're going to say plus 15. All right, so we just rewrite the negative 9x plus 15 because it's a positive 15. Now we need to move the 3, which is being multiplied. So opposite operation is division. So we're going to divide by 3. Whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other, and we have to divide everything by 3. The 3 and the 3 cancel, so we're left with y. Now, we're going to make our heart because we love math, and we have to circle the signs out front of each number. So the negative 9x and the plus 15 are divided by 3. So negative 9x divided by 3, negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3, and then we attach the x. Plus 15 divided by 3 is going to be positive 5. Now we have solved for y. Ignore my little scribble there. Now we have it in what's called slope-intercept form. Remember, slope is m, y-intercept is b. The m is negative 3, which we can say is negative 3 over 1. All right? And the y-intercept with the sign out front is going to be plus 5. Now, when we graph this, we are going to graph the y-intercept first, which is plus 5. We put a dot on the y-axis wherever the graph crosses, which is called the y-intercept. Now, our slope is negative. It's negative 3 over 1. So 3 is rise, 1 is run, and it's negative. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to go down however much I'm supposed to rise. So it says 3, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 over 1, just like that. Now I'm going to do the same thing from this dot. 1, 2, 3 over 1. Now, we take our straight edge. We connect the lines as best we can. And we do it just like that. Put the arrows on the end. It should be negative. The slope is negative, so it should be negative. Again, make sure you watch your negatives and your positives. The correct option here, because it was multiple choice, is option number 1.